Welcome back, guys. So in the previous video we picked out our interests for this upcoming challenge. Now we'll be picking our main interest, the trades that will be concentrating on the most, the ones we might likely take. So our first main interest pair is Euro Australian dollar, right here, guys. You can clearly see what's going on here. The market formed a W pattern right here. This is the daily time frame note. It broke above, making a W pattern, retested, and went back up, and retested and went back up, and it's now back at this level. So clearly, guys, we can see the price action being formed here. We can clearly see there is quite right an M pattern here, W pattern, but at the previous price action we can see a head and shoulder being formed here. We can see the head and shoulder being formed right here. So the market is currently at this level. It's currently breaking, as we can see. It's currently breaking. So all we have to do is wait for the market to close above this zone, this wall. Then if it closes above this zone, this is a opportunity for us to be interested in sales. Yeah, we'll be interested in sales because this is a nice head and shoulder pattern, though the head is inside, but it's still head and shoulder pattern. Or we can also just go with an M pattern. It's the same. So these patterns are significant in the market because they show that market, whenever you see this market, if it's a bullish market, it should go up, a bearish should go down. So we can see again, this is a demand zone right here. So all we are waiting for is the market to break below and we test this zone, then we'll be looking for sales. Yeah, so let's try to jump in a 4-hour time frame and see what's going on. You can clearly see what's happening. We can clearly see what's happening. This market is going to drop, guys. It's going to drop because you can see this is the zone I was saying I'm interested in. It's already broken the 4-hour time frame. So let's say this last 4-hour candle closes like this, then the market is confirmed for a sell. All we have to do is wait for the market to enter, the price to enter this zone, then we'll be placing our sales once it enters this zone and our stop loss above this here. And can, since this is the daily and you can see if this market really plays out, the market is probably going to drop significantly, and it's probably going to drop even up to here, this level here. Yeah, but we'll see if the market closes, let's say the market closes above this candle here. We'll hold the trade until it reaches this level. Yeah, we can hold the trade until it reaches this level right there. Yeah, because we won't minimize our take profit, we'll only minimize our stop loss. Yeah, and usually what I like to do when entering for a retest in a daily time frame, all you need is to wait for price to retest back to the previous candle right here, like that. As you can see, it did the same right there. You see, it did the same. It touched this zone, then went down. So even here, it touched the zone when retesting with this candle, went up a bit and sold. Even here, it touched this previous candle and went down. So you have to wait for market at least to touch this zone I've underlined right here. Yeah, then we can sell. Let me use the Fibonacci to show you what I'm talking about. You can see this is the, you see, it's even showing that this is between the zone, the the 50 and 61 zone, the golden zone. That's why there's this line. You see, that's why this is very important. So we can even enter when the market touches this zone here and put our stop loss right maybe above right here. Yeah, reasonable. At least we'll cut our stop losses, our losses, our drawdown, and increase our profit, because our account, probably the first trade we'll take will just go all in. Yeah, so we have to make sure the stop loss is tight, guys. Yeah, so that's when we enter our position right there at that level. We even put our alert. Yeah, so I wanted just to show you guys so you can know what's really going on, and you can see why we'll be entering from that point. And you can also see it's the same thing, but the region starts, the golden zone is starting at this level here, but the daily time frame candle is here where I've put this mark. So we'll see if we enter from here or there, depending on when we'll catch the trade. But it should be between these zones. So this is for Euro AUD. So let's put this in the main interest, because this trade is matching all our principles for us to enter a trade. Yeah. Let's look for another one. This is, can I clear all this at once? Let me see if I can clear this. Wait. Okay, let me just do this. I think in the previous video I explained why I chose this pair, because the same thing I was talking about, guys. Let me do this. You can see the market is in a nice, it's been in a nice downtrend. It's been in a nice downtrend. It's been in a very nice downtrend, and it reached this zone trying to break, but it rejected the level again, then dropped back in there in the downtrend zone. So you might think the market has already changed the direction and enter buys, but it's to wait and see how the market is reacting at this level. Yeah, but maybe you can enter a short buy, because here again you saw there was this M pattern, W pattern, market broke, retested, and you can enter your buy, because you can see if someone took a trade here, he would make some money from here up to, if you took a trade here, you would make, yeah, this is a nice trade from here to there. You'd make a nice profit. You can make something from there and there, come out here. This is a reasonable time for exiting the trade, because you never know if the break will keep on going. So you see what I was saying, waiting for the market to close above the zone. So you see, if this market closed above with a full and not a rejection, then you would have looked for more buys. but you see it rejected and dropped again. So it's now back at this zone where it went up and came back, and again tried to go up and again closed down. Then now it also broke above below, but with a rejection, with a wick. You see, meaning this was not the perfect time to enter the sell. Again, you see what happened? The market went up again, but now the market is trying to close with a full candle, body full. This will now show us and give us opportunity to sell, meaning the buyers can push the market up anymore. And this is a nice M pattern also right here. You can see what's going on. Market broke below now, and it retested there, and it's now going down. It did something like this, and now it's going down. You can see it's now going down. So we'll follow the trend and look for sell opportunities. We'll look for sell opportunities here, but only if this daily candle will close above this line. Yeah, this neckline, because this is our neckline, not daily time frame right there. Yeah, right there. This is our daily time frame. Then we wait for market to trace back in the zone again. As I told you again, it's for me, I look at the previous candle, lower low, and put my mark there, meaning if the market traces back in a week here, it will then now go down. This is in the daily time frame. That's a back retest, but let me then in the forward time frame, then you see this is where I underlined the zone. Yeah, so the market, when the market taps in this zone, we'll be looking for sales, maybe even up to there as a stop loss. But again, I'm looking at what's going on here. You can see even in the 4-hour time frame, there's the same thing happening. Sorry for my flu. There's a M pattern being formed here. You can see the same thing I was saying. And the market broke, meaning it already retested that zone. Then it retested and filled up this gap also. Yeah, then now it broke back out, meaning the market there is no need for the market to go up there, and there's no need for us to wait for market to trace back to this level. All we have to do is wait for it to touch this one here, then we can look for our sales, because it already broke the level. Let me put in the forward time frame so you can see this was the neckline right there. The market broke, it tested, and it already now it broke here with this green candle, and with this red green retested with the blue candle, green candle, and again closed above with this candle. So all we are waiting for, you can even see what's going on right now. There's this green candle trying to reach this zone. Once the market reaches this zone, we can look for sell opportunities. We can look for sell opportunities. So this is a nice clear trade I would like to enter. Yeah, and according to how the market will close again in the day, if the market closes, if the market closes above this line, I might hold until it reaches this zone right here again. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, but for now, with our $50 account, all we have to do is first create leverage for ourselves. So maybe we'll just be aiming for, at least we take the account to 150, 110, $100, $150. Yeah, then we'll be taking nice trades, but for now I just want to grow it. Yeah, so for the first trade, I'm aiming for at least two, I want 200 max, yeah, at 150, 150, 120, 140, 130, 110, yeah, that range. Then we'll take nice trades from there. But for now, these are the trades. Maybe we might just be close up to here, depending if it reaches our goal, we'll close the trade. But this is the main run of this trade, as you can see. Yeah, so we'll see how the market will behave at this zone. Then again, if you want to do the same Fibonacci retracement I was showing you guys earlier, just to show you that it's really helpful, you can also see there's this right here. You can see it's right there. So the golden zone is here. For this one, it's here. No. Yeah. For this one, it's here. That's if we start from the week. But if we start from the full body candle only, let's consider the body candle only. You can see that the golden zone is right there. Here. That will put our stop loss. So this is a nice trade. This would be a very nice trade. So we'll wait and see and watch how the market will play out. Yeah, but if you want, you can enter from this level here or here. But we'll see what the market will give us. Yeah. For now, this is what we're waiting for. Because again, if it enters this level, we have to wait for a reaction. Then we'll enter. So this is our second pair of interest. Yeah, I'll be very interested in taking this trade. I also have this one. As you can see, this trade it's literally the same thing, guys, of what I've been explaining. You can see market is in a downtrend. That's why it's very nice to analyze these pairs using the daily time frame or weekly time frame. Yeah, because it's easier for you to know what's going on. Yeah, and avoid yourself from making mistakes. So let me show you. You can see the market is in a downtrend again. It was in an uptrend and it now broke below this demand zone here. It has broken below, and this was also a nice level of resistance. This level, yeah, all of this, guys, you can see this level. If we could do this, just the full bodies, yeah, you can see what's going on here. So easy. All we are looking for, you can see there's even an edge pattern that's not clear in the lines, but look, it's okay. And you can see this is in the daily time frame. So all we are waiting for is market to retest back in that zone, then we'll enter for ourselves. That's in our daily time frame. You can see in our forward time frame what's going on. This is a clear, nice setup, guys. All we have to do is wait for market to reach this zone. Then, and look at this, guys. Just what I've been explaining. I feel like I've reached to a certain point where it's not bragging, but I feel like I've reached to a certain point where I can just literally see what's going on and say, okay, I'm gonna do this. The same thing I was talking about, feeling the gap here is what it's done. That's done right there in the forward time frame. The market will always do the same thing, guys. All you have to do is just be patient with it, you feel me? So you can see there's this line right there. Boom. So all we have to do is market to reach that zone, then we'll take our sales, guys. Then we'll take our sales, simple, just like that. If it won't take the trade, we'll look for other opportunities. That's why I'm finding as many as possible, so we can see which one respect our principles for taking a trade. Then the reason why I can't do what I was saying in the other video, like just wait for this back test, because come on guys, this is not the level of resistance or level of interest we're looking for. It's right here in the zone. All those you can see here. Why I picked this point is because it's in the zone. Same with this one, it's in the zone. So the same with this one again. I won't pick this because it's not in the zone. Okay, yeah, it's not in the zone, so we'll just work with this one for now. Yeah, then let me put this in. Let me use the Fibonacci again. That's the lower low. Oh, sorry, that's the low, and that's the lower low. You can see the same. Guys, I don't know why we are not making money with these things. It's just our minds. But if you look at it, it's the same level I was saying this where we're waiting for. Yeah, you can see. So let's say you enter here. From here, I'm sure the drawdown might only reach up to here. You even have your stop loss already from 50 to 60 right there, because you can see. So you only be in a small drawdown than you entering at this level. Yeah. So this is really nice. So we'll see and watch how the market will play out. Then we'll take our trades. Take our trades. Yeah, from there. So this is another pair of interest. Okay. There is this New Zealand dollar. What's going on here? We'll do this. But let me first start with the ones we are really interested in. Yeah, the same thing I was just explaining. All we are waiting for is a retest in this zone, probably at that line there. Because I'm sure in the 4-hour time frame there is something going on right here, right there. Let me jump to 4-hour time so you can see what I'm talking about, because we want to get it from there. You can see we are having some lower low, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower high. You can see market broke this, it made this right here, but never retested the zone. See, this is in the 4-hour time frame. It made this but never tested the zone. So how would enter the market if it reaches this zone right there, because that's where the demand zone is, the supply zone here. I'm sure it will reach there to take out early sellers, so it's better we enter from there. Yeah, it's better we enter from there. Yeah, it's better we enter from there to avoid small drawdowns that can take us out before the actual big move takes place. Just right there, you see where I've put, yeah, just there. Okay, you see the same thing I was saying in the zone at the previous candle level, the same thing I was telling you guys at the previous candle level, just right there, bam, you can end. You see the small drawdown you'll be into. That's why we look for the nice, yeah, you see, and again it's at the end of the supply zone in this case, you see right there. So that's what we are waiting for. Then we'll enter possibly enter sell. So we'll be waiting patiently for the market to trigger these zones for us. Then we'll enter our trades. We'll enter our trades, guys, just like that. Yeah, this is the daily time frame. For a time frame, you can see what's going on here. You can see what's really going on here. Okay, so this is the fourth pair I'm only picking 5 I will be interested in, then the rest will be just on odd, but that's the 5 for starters for that week, which is next week in this case, because we have 5 days taken. Okay, so for us, I will be interested in taking this trade if the market breaks above this zone and retests, then we might enter our buys. Yeah, because it has already broken this level right here. It was in a nice downtrend and it broke out. So we'll only be interested if it does something like this. With F closes with F, you see what I was saying? It's important to wait for the market to close with a full candle for you to know it's now your turn. Because fake outs rarely happen in the daily time frame. This might happen where it closes with a full candle then drops right back in 1 hour, 2 hour, in 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, because there the market can easily be manipulated. But in the daily time frame, it might, but it's really hard and rare. So that's why I prefer to analyze in the daily time frame. So this is what we were doing for in this case. Yeah. Yeah, we'll be looking for buys in this case, and I'll only be interested for in sales if it again breaks below this level and retests. Then I'll now be looking for sales. But right now we'll just watch and see. Maybe it might happen on Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, but we'll just keep an eye on it. That's why I've put it under the challenges. Yeah. For Euro USD, this here you can see the market has already closed below this resistance. It was in a uptrend, now it's in a downtrend, short downtrend here. It tested it, broke this. It was acting as support, now it will be resistance, and you can see market is about to close in a bearish full candle. So again, the same is the same principle, guys, the same simple strategy we are using. All we wait for is market to reach this zone right there, then we enter ourselves. If it doesn't, we wait for another pair. Unless if it doesn't, then we've already at least maximized our account to a nice amount, then we might enter here, because even if we'll be in a drawdown, won't be that affected. But us taking the first trade would be costly, so we have to wait for it to at least match all the principles we have and rules for us to execute one trade. So but look, if you put that there and drop in the 4-hour time frame, you'd see there's also the same thing I'm telling you guys. You see there's this pattern. It broke. Now market is even trying to retest this. It's coming back here in this zone. You see? So in the forward time frame, our previous candle is right there. So you can enter from there. But the daily candle is up here. You see? So if you enter from here, the market might reach there, yeah, then spike down. So which one is better for us with a small amount? So we'll see. But yeah, if the market reaches this zone, we'll take, let me add an alert. Yeah, since this, yeah, let me even just put it there. We'll look at our trading opportunities. Let me also do the same with this one right here. Let me remove, okay. This is our interest. Sure, let me do this. Okay. Yeah, this is where the other candle closed from. No, yeah, this is better. That makes much sense for us. Then, yeah, okay. That's in the forward diagram. Yeah, yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Yeah, you can also set another. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I'll be looking at those. This is for time frame, and one here as well. Yes. Also, I've already added one there, so I've added all my alerts in all these pairs. Yeah, I'm interested in taking. You can see we have one there. We also have another one there. We have another one there. We also have another one right there. This one, I'll monitor it closely. Yeah, there was another one right there. Put this here. Okay. Uh, there. Also, this one. Yeah, that's okay. It's okay. Okay. So yeah, this is our full analysis for the pairs who will be interested in these pairs. These are the pairs. So you can see in all the pairs, my analysis is almost the same. We're just applying the same rule in every pair. So it's now this is trying to show you that every strategy will work for you. All you have to do is just apply the same rule, then it will always work for you. Sometimes it might not, but 60% of the time it will work for you. Yeah, this is better. Okay, into this, into this, like that. Okay, so this is our level of interest, guys. Right there, yeah, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, they are all sales. But anyway, that's what the market is giving us. And I'm not really interested in taking this one, but we'll see, because you can also see this is the main zone right there. Yeah, it's the main zone right there, okay. I feel like no, this shouldn't be the zone. Should be looking for, yeah, we might do something if the market traces back there in this zone. Yeah, then we might consider selling this market as well if it traces that zone. And Bitcoin, the same. I analyzed in the previous pair. This is one of the short trades you can take, because you see if it closes above below this, we will seal it up to here. But there's a strong resistance rejection going on here, and if it closes above, we might buy. This is in a weekly time frame. You can see what's good. This is a weekly time frame, and look at what's going in the daily time frame. What I told you in the previous channel, in the previous video, because we do. Yes, it looked like it will go up, but we're waiting for a nice closure candle in the daily time frame for us to consider it being a buy or a sell. But you can see now what's happening. This candle is now dropping below. So all we have to, because it's like what, uh 2 hours left for this candle to close. If it can close above like this, then we'll look for sales targeting this zone here again. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So for now we just wait and see how the candle will close. Yeah, you seen what's going on? Yeah. So who are in sales, guys? This is in the forward time frame. It's showing you clearly what the market is trying to do. So you just follow what it's trying to do. The market is trying to do. Don't do what it's not doing. Follow what it's trying to do. So we just wait for the market to trace back this one. Yeah, this is sensible. Then we'll look for sales. I won't put here just because this is where the neckline is. The zone is inside here, so it might even sell here, but we might have a week to trace back within this zone, because this is where our zone lies. You remember I've put, I can, yeah, if I can even just put this like the zone. Let me switch in my 1 hour time frame and see. I can literally just put it right here. Yeah, there. And you'll be saying, I know why is putting it there. Why is it not just putting it somewhere here? Because it's beyond the neckline. But if you look at this pair, then you know why I've put it there. You see? Here, look at here. It formed an M pattern, but what happened? It covered the whole thing there. It did not just retest up to this level. It covered the whole zone right there. So you would have entered here and you would be in a drawdown up to that level. You see? Yeah. If your account is big enough to hold, you might enter before and wait until this drawdown is over and go back in profits. But come on. For that one, this is Bitcoin, guys. We're not doing that. So for us, our interest is only if the market touches this one here. Yeah, right there. Then we'll be interested in taking this trade for a sale, because we already know it's selling for sure. We can see it's already selling. You can see it's already selling. Yeah, but we are looking for a sniper entry, not that. We want a sniper entry. Yeah, then we'll enter sale from here to even it's reasonable. Yeah. Right there. Mm, right there. Okay. Yeah, this is reasonable enough. This is reasonable enough. Yeah, this was going in the daily time frame. In fact, I'm feeling like putting it here, because look at the daily time frame. It's already been rejecting too much this one. Yeah, it's rejected 3 times, so I don't think it will reach this far. We should see some reaction even before it touches this line there. Yeah, probably there. Probably there. Yeah, probably there. Probably there. Okay. We'll look at it. Okay. So this is another pair we'll be looking at. Yeah. This one I said if it breaks below. This one I said if it traces back there. I think that's it. That's it for this challenge. Yeah, so we have GBP card, we have Euro USD, we have USD Japan, we have AUD card, we have Euro AUD. So we'll just wait and see what the market will give us. Then we'll start taking trades. So see you guys for the result. Yeah, so that's my analysis for this coming week for the challenge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you.